National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 658, effective until 11 p.m. or midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lasalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Will, and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha and Wawa.
Go with me right away. We don't have to go to that thing, shouting.
Favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and
I'm
close to the
sorry,
West
the
area.
emergency alert system just
While severe
issued.
weather may not be imminent,
Come on,
citizens should remain alert
that's
to
not
rapidly
important.
changing weather conditions
Yes, it's
and listen to
important.
later
It's an
statements
alert.
and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's weather radio, KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be